What is going on, guys, and welcome back to our channel. And today's video, we're back with our 86 content. I do apologize for the mess here. I'm still trying to settle in with my new place here. So today is a very exciting day. Yes, we finally received a news from our friends in Spec R. And today, we're picking up my rubber for our Gr86. So we're fully packed. Same as the last time with the runner. We got the good old setup here. I shouldn't say good old setup. It's brand new, but so finally today we're gonna mount these big boys. Let's adjust that sunlight here. Sorry, neighbors. So I'll be seeing you in Spec R in 2 minutes. So right now we're just waiting for a friend to show up. We are currently running the OEM spec. To be honest with you guys, this doesn't look bad at all. But you know, I've been eyeballing that Ze40 for quite a while, since in my WRX days. So it's gonna look good, guys. Can't wait for the process. So good. Can't wait. So here's the car, and here what this looks like right now at the moment. I'm so excited, guys. This is gonna look insane when I got my rims mounted on. If you're wondering, and if you're not a subscriber to this channel, I'm running race comp engineering, 2-finger gap, all 4 corners, super street 1. So yeah, I'm still waiting on my friend here. Okay, I hear you. Still waiting on my friend here. He said he's gonna be here in like 30 minutes. So yeah, for the meantime, we're just gonna hang out and chill and probably get some hot dog. I would like to apologize to you guys. I haven't filmed inside the Spec R. I'm kind of in a bit of a rush. I got caught up by traffic here. Just want to say a huge shout out to you, Sir Kyle. If you guys need some tires, definitely hit them up. Spec R. I'll put the link down in the description below. So look for Kyle or Cole. They can get you Tire Express. I got General G Max RS 245 35 18.
Pretty exciting, eh?
It is. Thank you, Lord. I just wanna thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. I just wanna thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. I just wanna thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. I just wanna thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. I just wanna thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. I just wanna thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Uh, so we just got home, guys. Just a quick recap for you. We are running 18 by 9.5 plus 43. And I'm lowered with only race comp engineering SS1. No control arms, no tow arms, nothing. Uh, and then we are running General G Max RS 8 245 35 18. And just to clarify, we haven't touched this rear thingy here, nor the metal plate. And on the front, just the suspension as well. So yeah. Oh, I forgot to say, we have the OEM, not OEM. We have the race metal or aluminum center cap, and also Project Kicks QA monolith, the black one. So yeah. And I just want to say a huge shout out to Tyler, yo bestie. Thank you very much for mounting these rims without a scratch. And shout out to Spec R for my rubber. And thank you, Kyle, for sourcing this out for me. Shout out to Envision Auto, Peter and Gerald for helping me source this Ze40. It's worth the wait. Also, First Gear Project for my center cap. What else? And R1 Titan, also First Gear Project. And also, huge shout out to Eric in BS1 for helping me align my car. Thank you. Also, before I forgot, my first mod for this car. Shout out to the Tin Studio. Look for Paw Throttle. And he also have his YouTube channel. Gotta check them out. Pretty good build, quality build. And yeah, that's about it. And if you guys make out this far, please hit like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any more questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. See you in the next one. Peace out.